Understood? Yes, everyone is saying teacher understood. Okay. Yes. Okay, it's very easy actually. Now we can come to our practice set. This we have done previous year, right? So that's why I have taken it in shorter way. Okay. Just a minute. Now let me share my screen with you. Okay, now we were here. Okay. Now practice set 2, chapter number 2. Okay. Chapter number 2, practice set 2. Now here, if we see measure of the angle and type of the angle, 2 columns are there. Measure of the angle and type of the angle. Now here 180 degree is there. Now 180 degree, when the line is of, when the angle is of 180 degree, then the angle is known as, give me answer in chat box, then the angle is known as, when the angle is of 180 degree, then the angle is known as, yes, straight angle. Correct everyone, straight angle. When the angle is of 180 degree, it forms straight line and then it is known as straight angle. Then it is known as straight angle. Very good. Okay. Next, when the angle is of, when the angle is of 240 degree. 240 degree means what? Angle more than 180 degree. Okay, more than 180 degree, but less than 360 degree. The angle which is more than 1 degree, but less than 360 degree. Then it is known as, give me answer in chat box again. Angle which is more than 180 degree, but less than 360 degree. Correct. Very good. Prathamesh, Riya, Arnav, Rudra, Tanisha, Ganesh, Saurabh, Yash, Shilpi, Manasvi, Shima, Shrishti, very good. Everyone has given right answer. Many students have given the answers and everyone's answer is correct. Okay. Everyone is given the right answer. Okay. Good. Everyone has given the answer and it is correct. Very nice. Very nice, children. Now next is 360 degree. Next is 360. When the angle come back to its original position, then it is known as, when it complete its all angle and come back to its position, then it is known as which angle? 360 degree. Okay, I want answer again in chat box. Very good. Complete angle. It's complete angle. Shriya. Okay, Rudra, Arnav, Saurabh, Tanisha, Yash. Very good. Srishti, Arya, Simran, Rudra, Manasvi. Very nice. Swar, Samriddhi, Riddhi, Varad, Bhavya, Lavanya. Everyone has given the right answer. Yes, Vedanshi. Good. Very good. Everyone has given the right answer. Now next one is, it is there in its 0 degree. 0 degree means which angle now? 0 degree means which angle? It's quite easy. 0 degree, 0 angle. 0 degree, 0 angle. Okay. So if it is 0 degree, then it is 0 angle. Now this time also everyone has given right answer. Good. Okay. Now here, see, we can see that if here the angle is of 180 degrees, so if it is straight line, then it is known as 180 means what? Straight angle. Now 240 degree, an angle which is more than 180 degree but less than 360. यहाँ पे अगर रहता था वो तो 360 रहता था. यहाँ पे अगर रहता था तो 180. So that means what? It is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this 240 is more than 180, less than 360, and this is known as reflex angle. So 240 is reflex angle. Okay. Now here 360 degree. If the angle start with this point and then it complete its state and come back to its original, and it is known as complete angle. Okay, it is known as complete angle. Now 0 degree means what? Zero angle. 0 degree is nothing but zero angle. Now the measure of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. Write the type of each angle. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. Which type of angle is this? Okay, now 75 degree. Okay. Now here I would like to unmute some students, those who want to give the answers. Okay? Just a minute. Now, Amit. Amit, I have unmuted you. Just answer me. Unmute yourself and answer me, Amit. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you please help us find out which type of angle this is? 70. It is more than 90 degree or less than 90 degree?
Teacher, your voice is breaking.
Okay, mute yourself. Piyush. Piyush, I have unmuted you.
Hello.
Yes, Piyush.
Yes, teacher.
Am I audible properly to you?
Now my voice is audible.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now here the angle is of 75 degree. Okay, 75 degree. So
Yes.
please help us to find out which kind of angle this is, whether it is more than 90 degree or less than 90 degree.
Teacher, this is less than 90 degree acute angle.
Less than 90 degree. So less
Yes.
than 90 degree. So which kind of angle this is?
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Very good. So
Yes.
this is acute angle. Very good. Okay. The angle which is less than 90 degree is known as acute
Acute
angle.
angle.
Now mute yourself. Mute yourself. Riddhi.
Yes, teacher.
Riddhi, yes. Help us to find out this kind of angle. This 0 degree is of which angle?
Zero angle.
0 angle. 0 degree, 0 angle. It's quite easy, right? 0 degree, 0 angle. 75 degree, acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. Yes. Mute yourself. Riddhi. Riddhi. Riddhi, I have unmuted you. Just unmute yourself first. Yes. 215 degree. 215. Whether it is acute, right? Which type of angle it is?
Reflex angle.
How? How?
Because it is more.
Yes. I think Riddhi is having some network issue.
It is more
So
than 180 degree.
yes, it is exactly. It is more than 180 degree, means more than.
More than 180.
Yes, it is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So 215 comes under more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So this angle is known as reflex angle. Very good. This angle is known as reflex angle. Okay. Now next is Manasvi. I have unmuted you. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Will you please help us to find this angle?
360.
Yes.
Yes.
360 means what?
Complete angle.
360 means what?
Complete angle.
Complete angle. 360 means what? complete angle. Okay, because after 360 no angle is there, so it completes its journey and come back to its original position, and it is known as complete angle. So 360 degree is nothing but complete angle. Now next is mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Vidisha, unmute yourself first. Vidisha.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. This angle is of which degree? 180 degree.
Straight angle.
Straight angle. As it forms
Oh, sorry.
a straight line, so it is known as straight
Straight
angle.
angle.
Yes, mute yourself. Next is Ganishka.
Yes, miss.
Guess what this type of angle is? 120
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. Okay, how? Yes, tell me first. How? Okay, I think she is having network issue. Yash Mahato.
Hello, teacher.
Yes,
Hello, teacher.
yes, bolo.
120 degree is called as obtuse angle
How?
because it is greater than 90 degree and under than 180 degree.
Yes, it is greater than 90 degree. Very good, yes. It is greater than 90 degree, but less than 180 degree. So it is known as what? Obtuse angle. So it is known as what? Obtuse angle. Okay. Now mute yourself, Yash. Very good. Now, Rudra. Rudra,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. See this 148 degree.
Yes. This angle is obtuse angle, ma'am,
This angle is of obtuse. How?
because it is greater than 90 degree and lesser than 180 degree.
It is greater than 90 degree, lesser than 180 degree. So this angle is known as again obtuse angle. Very good, Rudra. Now mute yourself, beta. Next is Arnav. Arnav, I have unmuted you. Will you
Yes.
please help us to do with this 90 degree?
Teacher, this is right angle.
It is so simple. 0 degree, 90 degree or 360. It's quite easy because 0 degree means what? Zero angle. 90 degree means what? Right angle. And 360 means what? When it completes and come back to its original position, it is known as complete angle. These are quite easy, right? But if it is less than 90 degree, then it is acute. If it is more than 90 degree, less than 180, obtuse. If it is 180, straight. If it is more than 180, reflex. And if it is 360, then it is complete. Very good. Mute yourself now. Okay, here the solution is first acute, zero, reflex, complete, straight, obtuse, and right angle. So we have seen this. Now come back to question number 3. Now here we need to look at the figure given below and write the type of each angle. Now here we have seen most of the time angle is given and we need to identify which type of angle is this. Now here the diagrams are given, and on the basis of diagram we need to find out which type of angle is this. Okay, now here the diagram A is given and we need to find the solution. Now Tanisha will give me answer. Tanisha, I have unmuted you. Just give me answer of this question. Which kind of angle it is? This angle?
Angle.
This is known as acute angle. Why? Because the angle is looking less than 90 degree. है ना? The angle is looking less than 90 degree. So it is known as what? Acute angle. Yes, it is known as acute angle. Okay, it is known as acute angle. Okay, now mute yourself, beta. Okay, now this I'll ask Arya. Arya, I have unmuted you. Just answer me of this question.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Which type of angle do you see in this case?
Right angle, teacher.
Right angle, because see, the sign itself indicate this sign. This sign indicates it is a right angle. So this answer of this question is what? Right angle. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Very good. Now mute yourself. Now, Riya Singh. Riya Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me which kind of angle is this? This one. This one. Which type of angle this is? It is quite tricky. Huh? Yes, speak.
Obvious angle.
What? Okay, I'll ask some other student. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, obvious angle.
Okay, mute yourself. Now,
Hello.
Angelina.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. She is saying this is obtuse angle. Now, what do you think? Whether it is obtuse angle or acute angle, right angle, what it is?
Teacher, I think it is reflex angle.
Why do you think that this is reflex angle? Yes, tell me, beta.
Uh,
She is saying that is obtuse angle. She thought that this angle is looking more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So she thought that this is obtuse angle.
teacher, because of the sign.
Because of this sign, very good, Angelina. See,
Thank you.
this sign represent what it is, reflex angle. तो ये angle जो है वो उल्टा दिया हुआ है. ये दिख रहा है हमको ऐसे, but इसका जो sign है वो ऐसा है. So बाहर से जो sign है वो represent कर रहा है. That means this type of angle it is. ठीक है? If we see
Can I
that,
mute?
yes, अगर हम इसको unmute, उल्टा करते, invert करते हैं, so this angle is looking like this. So always see that what the sign is. Okay, so if the sign is like this, so it is reflex angle. This sign represent that this is more than 180 degree. This is more than 180 degree, so it is reflex angle. अगर हमारा sign ऐसे होता था अंदर से, ठीक है, if it is like this, so that would be our obtuse angle, but the sign is from outside, so it represents this angle is of reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle. Very good, Angelina. Good observation. Next is Sumit. Sumit, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now what do you think this type of angle? See the diagram that is
This is a straight angle.
this is of straight angle. It is quite easy, right? If the straight line is there, so the angle is of straight angle. Very nice. Mute yourself. Now, Riddhi. Sorry. Farhan. Farhan. Farhan, unmute yourself. Farhan, unmute yourself. Okay, just a minute.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, Farhan. What do you think? Which type of angle is this?
Straight angle.
Okay,
Straight
mute yourself.
angle.
Okay, mute yourself, beta. Now, Rishit, I have unmuted you.
Yes.
Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
What do you think? Which kind of angle is this?
Zero angle.
Why? He is saying straight angle. Why it is zero? Yes, speak first. Okay, mute yourself. Tanvi. Tanvi, I have unmuted you. Unmute yourself.
teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now please tell me which type of angle is this?
Zero angle.
Zero. Why zero?
Because it is not moved from his place.
Okay, it is not moving on, not moving, and no such kind of arrows are there. So this is known as zero angle. Very good. Yes. Mute yourself. Now, Kanishka. Kanishka, unmute yourself. And
Ma'am.
mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I have unmuted myself.
Which kind of angle is this?
Ma'am, this is called complete angle.
Complete angle. Why complete angle?
Because this is
Yes, because of
the sign.
this
Because of the sign, yes.
Okay, so this is complete angle. Okay,
Complete angle.
acute angle right reflects red zero complete angle. Now here use a protractor to draw an acute angle, a right angle and an obtuse angle. Okay, here we need to draw an acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. So this part of construction we'll see in the next lecture because it is of construction part and it will not be completed in 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll do again some more sums. Okay, we'll see again some more sums and I will ask students to do this. Now, just a minute.